this is Teacher Anna Liza and welcome to my channel. Magluto tayo ngayon ng fried rice with mixed veggies. Narito ang ating mga ingredients. 5 cloves of garlic, oyster sauce, onion minced, 2 eggs. We have mixed veggies, beef siomai, sweet ham, rice, salt and pepper, and oil. Para sa ating scrambled egg, isisun muna natin ang ating 2 eggs ng salt and pepper. And then, i-beat lang natin hanggang sa ma-dissolve ang ating salt. Sa ating frying pan, maglagay tayo ng konting oil. And then, iprito muna natin ang ating scrambled eggs. After nating naprito ang ating scrambled egg, isunod nating prituhin ang ating beef siomai. Actually, na-steam ko na ang ating beef siomai pero gusto ko lang siya ulit prituhin. Then, iset aside na natin ang ating siomai. Sa ating frying pan, maglagay tayo ng oil. Then, let's put garlic. Guys, wag niyo pong susunugin ang ating garlic kasi papait ang ating fried rice. This time, ilagay na natin ang ating onion. Next is sweet ham. So, after magmantika ng ating ham, ilagay na natin ang ating rice. 5 cups of rice po yan, mga beshi. I-season natin ng salt. And let's add the oyster sauce. Ayan, ang bango-bango ng ating fried rice, guys. Then, haluin lang natin itong mabuti. This time, i-add na natin ang ating mixed veggies. And last but not the least, i-season natin ito ng salt and pepper. Ayan, konting halo na lang guys and tapos na tayo. Kakain na! Ito na po ang ating fried rice with mixed veggies. Then, hiwain muna natin ang ating scrambled egg kanina para ihalo natin sa ating fried rice. Yan, ready na ang ating fried rice with mixed veggies. Papakanin ka talaga sa sarap ng aking fried rice with mixed veggies. Like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Bye!